Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Australia ang Indonesia 109-58. Top performer ng Australia si Elijah Ron Piper sa likod ng kanang 18 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Top performer naman ng Indonesia si Lester Prosper sa likod ng kanang 18 points, 14 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 blocks. Panalo naman ang Mongolia kontra sa Guam 74-63. Top performer ng Mongolia si Margad Erdenit Sitsig sa likod ng kanang 16 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 4 steals at 2 blocks. Para naman sa Guam, nagtala lamang si Jericho Cruz ng 8 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Tinambakan naman ng New Zealand ang Hong Kong 92-51. Top performer ng New Zealand si Jordan Engatay sa likod ng kanang 20 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng Hong Kong si Duncan Reid sa likod ng kanang 17 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan din ng China ang Japan 158. Top performer ng China si Jin Kyuho sa likod ng kanang 17 points at 5 rebounds. Top performer naman ng Japan si Alex Kirk sa likod ng kanang 11 points at 10 rebounds. Dinaig naman ng South Korea ang Thailand 91-90. Top performer ng South Korea si Yeon Ji-ha sa likod ng kanang 19 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Top performer naman ng Thailand si Moses Morgan sa likod ng kanang 16 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Tinalo naman ng Chinese Taipei ang Gilas Pilipinas 91-84. Top performer ng Chinese Taipei si Ting Chinglen sa likod ng kanang 21 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng Gilas Pilipinas si Justin Brownlee sa likod ng kanang 39 points, 6 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala si Scottie Thompson ng 4 points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Fajardo 9 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist. Oftana 1 rebound. Dwight Ramos 15 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Justin Brownlee 39 points, 6 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Chris Newsome ng 7 points, 5 rebounds at 1 steal. Sergio Perez 1 rebound. Tamayo 2 rebounds. Eji Edo 10 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Qualifiers Window 3 as of February 20, 2025. Sa Group A, Australia 5 wins, 0 loss, 10 points. South Korea 3 wins, 2 losses, 8 points. Thailand 2 wins, 3 losses, 7 points. Indonesia 0 win, 5 losses, 5 points. Sa Group B naman, Gilas Pilipinas 4 wins, 1 loss, 9 points. New Zealand 4 wins, 1 loss, 9 points. Chinese Taipei 2 wins, 3 losses, 7 points. Hong Kong China 0 win, 5 losses, 5 points. Sa Group C, China 4 wins, 1 loss, 9 points. Japan 4 wins, 1 loss, 9 points. Guam 1 win, 4 losses, 6 points. Mongolia 1 win, 4 losses, 6 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Sa Group D, Jordan 4 wins, 0 loss, 8 points. Saudi Arabia 3 wins, 1 loss, 7 points. Iraq 1 win, 3 losses, 5 points. Palestine 0 win, 4 losses, 4 points. Sa Group E, Iran 3 wins, 1 loss, 7 points. Qatar 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 points. Kazakhstan 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. India 1 win, 3 losses, 5 points. Sa Group F, Lebanon 4 wins, 0 loss, 8 points. Bahrain 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 points. Syria 1 win, 3 losses, 5 points. United Arab Emirates 1 win, 3 losses, 5 points. Maglalaban ang Gilas Pilipinas at New Zealand 10 AM Philippine Time, February 23, 2025. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.